Now let's talk about iOS 16 depth wallpaper. For those of you that have just been updated your iPhone to iOS 16, you may want more wallpaper for your lock screen and you want to put it something like this. Now let me show you how to get more wallpaper for this. So what you're gonna do is to go into the App Store, then you're gonna search this app called Lock and lock screen wallpaper. You're gonna find it here. It is free, so what you're gonna do is after you download, open this app. Now you're gonna find it is pop up like this where it asks you to pay, but if you like okay with that, you can just go ahead and click on continue free with ads. You're gonna see some ad, but you should be able to download the wallpaper for your iPhone. Now let me close this one. Now you can see there are many wallpaper, there are many depth wallpaper that you can like download and set it on your iPhone lock screen. So like you have many different category like sport. Now let me show you how I save the wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna save this one. I can select on it. I'm gonna click on the download button and then you're gonna see this pop up. So you can go ahead and click on continue with ads. And then it has been saved into my camera roll. Now let me go back to photo and here is a wallpaper that I have just downloaded. I'm going to click on the share button and then I can set it on my iPhone lock screen. And if I zoom in, you're gonna see a depth effect on my lock screen. Now let me click on done and that's it. You're gonna get that wallpaper. It is very awesome and very simple. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.